at home, Talion. We obtained some valuable information from this one. Before he lost his head.
These grunts know nothing. We're wasting precious time.
Wasting time? We've learned where they are keeping our blasting powder.
What need have I of blasting powder?
It's all part of the plan, my friend.
Whatever leads us to the Black Hand is my only concern.
So anxious to find the Black Hand. And by all means, I will take you to him. With any luck, the Uruks have yet to discover the secrets of the blasting powder. We will need to free my men to find out.
Do you believe the blasting powder can draw out the Black Hand?
I pray so. The enemy gathers at Uruk's Hollow, where many of my men are enslaved. I pray Eren, too, is there.
I will handle the Uruks.
Perhaps we can take a more stealthy approach and incapacitate them by using their weakness. Grog. Have you ever heard of Hithless? It's toxic and is good for one thing. Poisoning orcs. Follow me. When I deserted the Black Gate, I fell sick. It was Eren who nursed me to health.
Is she the reason you joined the tribesmen?
Of the many, she is my most cherished. There are only so many camps my wife could have been taken to.
Do you believe she will be at this one?
My heart says yes.
I hope for your sake she is, Hirgon.
Watch for Uruks. Be careful, Ranger.
The only food what's left is a crate full of rotten fish. We should all have our own rings that make us unbeatable in battle.
I heard that's exactly what we'll be getting when the Master comes and leads us into battle.
What? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? We've got a killer lurking around.
What was that?
Someone's killed him.
more plants ahead. Follow me.
Where did you acquire this blasting powder?
Traded for it with a blustery dwarf. We took his powder and left him our footprints. Pretty fair, if you ask me.
You're proving yourself to be a strong leader. For a deserter.
That is only because I leave the hard work to men like you.
Grog, I reckon. Don't mess with that captain I was with earlier. He's a real piece of work. I know. I saw him fighting. He charges at his enemies with so much rage and fury. They may as well die up front. Nothing's bloody happening anywhere.
In Mordor, even the flowers are of death.
There are far worse things than flowers here.
Crossed the river last week, and it was almost black with rubbish from an hurricane. Looks so much better all lovely dark and sludgy. Ford has been cooking up a right old storm the past few days. Looks all this crazy even when I heard them strange sounds.
Haven't seen our leader in ages. Where's he hiding?
Crawled back under a rock with all the other maggots.
I thought it impossible Sauron would ever return.
Darkness descends upon Mordor. Soon it will be impossible not to succumb.
When we realized we couldn't fight the orcs, we started dressing up like slaves, sneaking into their camps to free the others.
A bold strategy.
Not really. Mostly, we'd end up slaves ourselves. At least we came dressed for the part. When I was first rescued by the Outcasts, they told me you led the search party for my head.
I volunteered. Were you caught, our fellow rangers would have killed you. I could not let you suffer that fate.
Up here, we almost have enough poison for our purpose.
I look forward to seeing its effects up close.
This should be enough. Now all you have to do is drop it into their grog.
Will the orcs not smell the poison?
No. But if they spot you, I doubt they will drink from it. The Uruks are stationed by the front gates. For the sake of my men, keep to the shadows. I'll gather my men and wait. We'll stand ready to seize the blasting powder once the camp is clear. Remember, Talion, don't be seen. These Uruks have killed many slaves for far less.
Rats. Must have been rats. Definitely. Stay on your guard. They might come back. Look, there's been a murder.
Who it was that's been pilfering food from us.
Executioner just killed the cook, so it must have been him. Filthy traitor. No wonder he had such a fat belly. Suppose it was my imagination. If it comes back, we'll kill it then. Jesus, dead rivers of gold, we will bring you human salt, those sacks of frog and blood. Captain said to get a bunch of slaves and start digging. I got orders to get a pile of timber. Judging by the size of the hole we've dug, must be a big trap they're building. Wait! I smell something. Someone's sneaking about. A dead Uruk!
No wonder this stuff burns so well. Oh, the stink of this. I'm surprised they can keep it down. To do is wait. Come with me. Come with me. Come on.
I'd never see you again.
I knew you were alive.